This lesson is on adding and subtracting polynomials. This is done by combining like terms, and like terms are terms that have the same variables and exponents. Let's take a look at some examples of that. In the first example, we have 3x squared y minus 5x squared y. The variable combinations are the same. However, the coefficients of these two terms are different. So these are like terms. They can be combined. Just like in the past you have combined 3x minus 5x to be negative 2x, you can now combine 3x squared y minus 5x squared y to be negative 2x squared y. Let's continue. You might have two longer polynomials being added together, so they might be written in brackets. However, remember, you can use the distributive property to remove the brackets. In this case, you have a positive 1 multiplying this whole bracket as well as this whole bracket. Multiplying by a positive 1 doesn't make a difference, so we can essentially rewrite the question without brackets. And a plus minus makes just a minus 3x squared plus 7x minus 1. Now we can look for like terms. So let's code them. You can see them as flashcards. We've got this term here, that's an x squared term. Oh, we have another x squared term here. We have a negative 3x and a positive 7x. Those are like terms as well. And these are like terms as well, the constant terms. They have degrees of 0. So let's combine the like terms, and we'll start with the highest degree first. So the x squared terms, we have 2x squares minus 3x squares, giving us negative 1x squared. Notice that often we do not write the 1, however it is there, it is implied. Negative 3x plus 7x is positive 4x. And 4 minus 1 gives us positive 3. There is our final answer. Notice usually we answer in decreasing exponential form. In the next example, we're subtracting polynomials. So it's the same as before. We want to distribute anything to release the brackets. Here we can release the bracket in the first polynomial because it's all multiplied by a positive 1. Here everything is multiplied by a negative 1, thus changing all our signs in the second polynomial. Now we can combine like terms. So the x squared terms can combine together. 2 plus 3 gives us 5x squares. The x terms are negative 3x minus 7x, giving us negative 10x. And the constant terms are 4 plus 1, giving us positive 5.